Hello friends! Nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Let's stir-fry spinach with enoki mushroom today. This dish is delicious and easy to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes and click to follow my channel, because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free if you are willing. Please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. Spinach is rich in iron, vitamin C and potassium, and magnesium. As part of a nutritious diet, it can help support immune function, aid the digestive system, may even have anti-cancer properties. However, certain individuals may need to eat this vegetable in moderation. Let's start cooking. Ingredients are spinach, enoki, mushrooms, and ginger. Enoki mushroom, remove root, wash and cut half. Chopped ginger. Remove roots, wash and cut into small pieces. Stir-fry chopped ginger. Add enoki mushrooms. Spinach. Salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, water is too dry. Stir-fry spinach with enoki mushroom is done, plate it, and it's ready to be served. Spinach boasts abundant magnesium, aiding in converting the food you consume into energy. It's like giving your body a power boost. Spinach acts as a shield against those pesky colds. Because it is rich in vitamin C, it fortifies your immune system, helping you stay healthy. Enoki mushrooms have bioactive polysaccharides, FVE protein, and ribosomal activating protein that can regulate the immune system. They also have anti-cancer, anti-allergy, antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties, which protect and boost your immunity. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. There are 2,000 recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I share delicious and simple recipes every day. If you like cooking, don't miss it, yeah. Follow my channel now. And when you need recipe inspiration, just click on my page, as there are thousands of delicious recipes waiting for you, if you are willing. Please also leave me a like too. Thank you all. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.